Hello children, so welcome back to your EVS class. How are you all? Hope you all are fine. Okay. So in your last video you have done chapter clocks. So you have seen the video, you have understood all the chapter also. So today we are going to solve the exercise. So before solving the exercise, let me give a small description of the chapter once again, okay? A small summary. So clothes, it is a basic need because without clothes we cannot live. Just like food, water, we need clothes also. So it help us to cover our body. Okay. Now clothes are of three types. Some clothes are there which we wear during summer, some are during winter, some clothes we wear during rainy season. So during summer we wear cotton clothes. Okay. And during winter, which type of clothes we wear? Woolen clothes. Woolen clothes are made up of wool. Wool, from where we get the wool? We get wool from sheep, then rabbit, yak, goat, etc. Okay. Silk we get from silkworms. A small insect we get from silkworm. So during rainy season we wear rainwear items. Rainwear items means like raincoat, then gumboots, jackets, which is made up of plastic and rubber so that our body will not get wet. Okay. Next we have got one more topic, no, uniform. Like you all are wearing a uniform when going to school. Then policeman, nurse, doctors, no, everyone is wearing uniform. And when a person is wearing uniform, we can identify them easily. We no need to tell, whenever you are going to school, you no need to tell anyone that you are a student. Why? Because you are wearing uniform, so anyone can find out, yes, that you are a student. Then nurse also same thing. So by their uniform we can recognize that yes, he is a policeman, or she is a nurse, or he or she is a student. Okay, so uniform. Then one more topic we have got, regional clothes. That means each state has their own clothes. Okay, that is regional clothes. So you have seen like the pictures also you have got like in Jammu and Kashmir, then in Rajasthan, Gujarat, Assam, Bengal, everywhere we are having our own traditional dresses, that is called regional clothes. And not only in the states, countries also are having, like South Africa, then Japan, no? Japanese people are wearing different type of clothes in Dubai. So not only states, countries are also having different types of traditional dresses. Alright. Next, one more topic you have, no, habit, like good habits you have got, that always you should wear clean clothes. Then whenever you will not, suppose your clothes are become old, that time you should donate your clothes to the needy one, to the poor person. Then you should always remain your clothes, keep your clothes neat and clean. You should, while eating, you should eat properly so that your dress should not get dirty. Okay. So about clothes, you know everything because it's a common requirement. It's a common thing. Okay. So hope you have understood the chapter. So today I have given a small summary again. So today we are going to solve the exercise of this chapter. Okay. So to solve the exercise, what you need? You need pencil and eraser. So let's come to the exercise and take your pencil and eraser. Okay. Take out your pencil, then we will start. Okay, so ready? You have taken your pencil and eraser. Okay, so first topic you see, fill in the blanks. So here we have to fill up the blanks. Okay, all the options are there. You can do yourself also. Then also I am telling the answer, you will write with me. Okay, so number 1, clothes are something that we need to dash daily. Options are eat and wear. So which will be the correct answer? Clothes, what we do? We eat clothes or we wear clothes? Answer will be wear. So you write here wear. W-E-A-R. Wear. Okay. Next. Clothes protect us from rain, heat and dash weather. Cold or pleasant? Cold means you know cold, and pleasant means not very cold also, not very hot, or pleasant, like very good weather. So clothes protect us from which type of weather? It protect us from cold weather. So here what you will write? Cold. C-O-L-D. Cold. Okay? Written? Next. Number 3. We wear dash cloths in summer. Woolen, cotton. During summer, which type of cloths we wear? Woolen cloths or cotton cloths? Yes, we wear cotton cloths. So here you will write cotton. C-O-T-T-O-N. Cotton. Okay? Written? Next. Number 4. Rainwear is made of dash materials like rubber and plastic. Waterproof or light. So rainwears are made of waterproof material. Why? So because rubber and plastics are waterproof, not light. Okay, these are waterproof material. So here you will write waterproof. W-A-T-E-R-P-R-O-O-F. Waterproof. Okay. Next. The students of a school wear dash daily. Jeans or uniform. So this one the easiest one. Okay. So while going to school, what do you wear? Jeans or uniform? Jeans no one is wearing. Everyone is wearing what? Uniform. So here you will write U-N-I-F-O-R-M. Uniform. Okay. So write the answers. You complete this, fill in the blanks, then we'll start number 2. Okay. So number 1, wear. Number 2, cold. Number 3, cotton. Number 4, waterproof. Number 5, uniform. You write it, then we'll start number B. Okay, hope you have completed. Okay, now let's start number B. Write yes or no. So here for the correct question you have to write yes, and which is the wrong one, for that one you have to write no. Okay? So let's start. Number 1. Clothes protect us from hot weather. So you have got now first only that clothes protect our body from heat, rain, cold. So hot weather. So answer will be yes. Y-E-S. Right, yes. Next. We get silk from plants. Where from we get the silk? We get silk from sheep. So sheep is an animal. Sheep is an animal. It's not a plant. So we get silk from plants. The answer will be no. Okay. Next. Sheep give us wool. Where from we get wool? We get wool from sheep. So sheep give us wool. Answer will be yes, because sheep give us wool. Written. Number 1 yes, number 2 no, number 3 yes. Okay, completed. Now you turn the page. Come to the next page. Here see question number 4. Raincoats are made of rubber. So rubber is a waterproof material and raincoats are waterproof. So raincoats are made of rubber. Answer will be yes. Y-E-S. Right, yes. Next. We should wear dirty clothes. In the good habits you have got now there that we should wear clean clothes. We should not wear dirty clothes. But here the question has been given, we should wear dirty clothes. So what will be the answer? N-O. No. Because we should not wear dirty clothes. You complete it. This one you complete, then we will start the next one. Now C number. Look at the pictures. Now complete the following pairs. Here 3 pictures are given, 3 questions are given. You have to match it. You have to make it pair. That with which dress, which one we are wearing. Okay. You have to match it. Number 1 you see. Skirt. With skirt, what we wear? With skirt, this is what? This is the skirt and this one. 2 options are given, 2 letters are already given. T, P. So in the middle it will be with skirt, we wear top. So here you will write O. Shirt. With shirt, this is what? This is shirt and this one? Yes, this is pants. So P, A, N. T and S is already given. Next, dhoti. With dhoti, this is the dhoti and this one, with dhoti we wear kurta. So K, U, R, T, A is already given. So K, U, R, T, A. So skirt and top, shirt and pants, dhoti and kurta. Okay? Write it. So hope you have completed the answers. Okay. So read all the answers. Learn the answers properly. First 2 chapters already you have completed, I think. So this also, this objectives one, you will complete it. And question answers will be attached, okay, with this video. So you will get the question answers also. So learn all these things properly. Again and again go through the video. Whatever confusion you have, clear your doubts. Alright. So completed now? Okay. So, thank you everyone and take care. Okay.